Oh, nice. This might be an Otis Gen 2, but I'm not sure. This is at the Courtyard by the Tucson airport. This is elevator A. I think they have quite a few elevators in this hotel. Oh, we're going up. Someone's calling the elevator. What a joy.
Yeah, I am a bit. Especially going from place to place. How was your day today? Did you really? Oh, good. Are you really?
Second floor.
Yeah.
This is going to be a really busy elevator today. This is elevator A. Look at this beautiful cab. Wow. That guy was awfully rude. He went down to 1 and then back up to 2. Oh, what a rude guy. Let's go to 1. He's probably going to come back in, but I'm going to get off at 3. There are more elevators I want to film. It's an Otis. Looks like an 80s logo. This could have been modernized. Get off at 3. We'll get off here.
Anything like this, he was cracking up. I'm like, dude, I don't either.